Now I'm going to walk you through a really straightforward process where a user will create an incident. The help desk will treat the incident and they will turn it into a security incident. Then the security team will triage it and eventually they will close it and we'll see what happens to the incident then. So this is bad. This is Joe, and he thinks that the sales portal is really slow today, so he wants to raise an incident. In the interest of time, we'll just type in open IT incident, and we're gonna do this as quick as possible. The sales portal is really slow today. And the virtual agent would normally try to help them. We'll skip some of those steps for this particular demo, so I'm just saying that I'm all set, and I did not resolve my issue. No. And that means that an incident will be raised. It's asking for the urgency, which Mr. Joe believes is high, and that's about it. The incident has been created and Joe can go back to doing what he wants. Let's turn into the help desk. So this is Laxmi working there. She can look into either just her work or her team's work, and I'm going to do the team's work because this incident has now been raised, and it's as so far it's unassigned. So we'll go into that incident. And we'll see there is some information here, and we won't spend too much time on the incident itself, except that we see that it has identified a CI, and it also has identified a service, and that service is the rewards processing portal. The important thing here is that we have configured the system to have a button that says create security incident up here. So let's say that Laxmi, she thinks that this has something to do with security, so she will click that button. What happens then is that a security incident will be raised in the system. And basically, it has also been assigned to Adam Long. She can click into it if she has the access, but in this case she doesn't, so we'll switch into Adam. And this is Adam's workspace. So on Adam's workspace, we see that there are some incidents already open, obviously. And let me just refresh that screen, and we will see that there is one new incident that has come in right here. And that new incident, there is no surprise on that part, is our incident coming from the help desk. So what Adam is going to do, he's going to start his investigations on this. And we will not spend too much time on the process itself in this particular case, but we see that the different stages are here. And he would probably look into whatever things he needs. One thing that I'd like to highlight is that the configuration item, it was already in the incident. Here, the Linux server, but it also turns out that this Linux server is powering 4 different services. So if there is something happen to that Linux server, it could also affect other services. I'll skip through this very quickly, and the quickest I can do it is go straight to recover phase, and then I can move into a closed phase. This is obviously not something you should do with a real event. And to be able to close this totally off, I need to go and put in some closure information. And in this case, we'll just say it's a false positive, no security related issues found. And I will close it from here. If we go back to the incident itself here, and let me go back to the list. We see that the incident, sorry about that, I'll just remove those. We see that the incident has already been closed over here. And in the activity stream, we see that Adam Long has been involved with the security incident, and the resolution code was solved permanently, and it's closed up there.